Many people never know what they happen. This Davido and Chioma marriage when just finished, their wedding when they just finished. So it teach people a lot of things. Many people tend to say this marriage they don't finish it. It never finish. This wedding when they just do so, a year it will pass 1 year for grand. People will talk what happened for that marriage. People will compare this marriage with other people. People will learn from this marriage when they just do so. People will know what to do whenever they want to do marriage. People, whenever they plan their marriage now, they thought they learn. Those people when get money and those people when don't get money, all of them don't get idea. Even not only Nigeria, the whole world, both America, Africa, Asia, everybody don't learn for this Davido marriage and Chioma. My people, I will leave now. Make una listen to what Davido they talk. Even though Davido called a prophesy for person, say this person is going to end up with Christian music, gospel music. My people, this marriage, I enjoy them. I like them. If you don't like them, you know. Make una watch this small video. Waiting Davido talk for this video. Make una watch and see.
I had a vision that you ended your music as a gospel singer. Our soup is different. Our soup is different. Yes, yes, so we don't worry. So this symbolizes.